Welcome to our step-by-step guide on downloading classic racing games for your PC. Whether you're a diehard fan or just curious, you're in the right place. Before we start, let's check the system requirements to ensure you have the right hardware and software for optimal gameplay. Next, it's crucial to find reliable sources. We'll share some trusted websites and platforms where you can safely download your games. Now, let's download emulators. We'll guide you on selecting and installing emulators that run classic games smoothly. After getting your emulator, it's time to acquire game ROMs. We'll explain how to search for and download them legally. Let's focus on installing the emulator. Follow these step-by-step instructions for a smooth setup. Now that you've installed your emulator, let's load our game ROMs. Here's how to do it properly. Next, we'll configure the settings. These tips will help you optimize the emulator for a better gameplay experience. If you encounter issues, don't worry. Let's troubleshoot some common problems you might face. And that's it. You're all set to dive into the thrilling world of classic racing games on your PC. Happy gaming!